Hello, good day. In continuation of the last video, which we started with Access, Microsoft Access, creation of an Access database, and created a table, which is this table you see here. We created this table, and from this table, we were able to create a query. We created different kinds of query. We created this using the select query. We came to basic selection where we did not specify criteria. We did not specify criteria. Good. There was no criteria specified. And there you have it. When we run it, you see it. There you have it. This is the query without criteria specified. Then also went back and specified a criteria whereby we specify the day, the state to be from Abia, and we got this when we ran it, we got this, someone is from Abia State. And we also went back and specified either it's from Abia or from Enugu. And you see it gave us what we have there. Then we also came back and specified that okay, we want to do two criteria from different feet, from 2 feet. We came to the gender and say okay, the person is a female. Person is a female, we run it and we have this because it's just one female that is from Enugu State or from Abia State. We don't have any other female from Enugu or Abia State. So if I should come here and insert a female uh, job by name, and I give this to her, and I say, okay, she's a female from, okay, the date of birth, I'll choose date of birth to be this. And I say, okay, she's from Abia State. I have this. Then when I come to the query, you see, go to refresh all. You see, I have this again because I have Enugu or Abia State in my query. So this is just about creating a query. So, in the previous video, we stopped at reports when we created a report. And note that a report can be created from either a table or a query. And you must ensure that the table or the query are not in the design mode. They're not in design mode, that is the view, it's not in design view, so you can create the reports. So this is just a general report we created for the database, and from here we can change, we can edit this report, we can modify it. Simply go to the design view, then you have some, so to edit this, to design or to customize this report, you can easily come to this and have this as names. I can put names of people. I can come here, I can put it, I can change it about what I have in the database. I call this identity. Sorry, not this. This is from the header, please. From the header, names of people. So let me do this. Let me view it. So if you view, you see what you see about names of people. So anything you don't like in at the header, you just simply go to the design view. Sorry, you go to the design view, change the view to design, then you come to the header. You can come here and make a serial number S/N. Come here, put it phone numbers, There we have it as gender. Then we have here as date of birth, date of birth. Um, when you scroll through, see we have here as, you can change it as location. So remember I told you that name is a keyword in access, is a reserved word in access, and it is not used as a feed name. The reason is because of this stuff here. When you see this, you see this name here. Name cannot be used because it is reserved. It's being used for identification of objects in access. Okay, we'll go back to our design. You can see the report view. Now have good report. Okay, we made a mistake here. Can go back and change it. Just a little change. A little change. And come here. Use this. So we have this as a report. Now let's assume your asked. You can save it. Put it as RPT report. Then if let's assume you're asked to from this table you're asked to create a report where you have only the male and the female from either Abia or Enugu State. So what you simply do, you can easily create it from a query. So you come to query design. Now you see, oh, we already have a table here. That's why you see this table here. So click add. The table is added to your query design. What do you want from this query, from this table? You need this. I need all the fields, but also I need a criteria where it's male. I don't want to see it. I want it when it is male, or I want it when it is female. Sorry, female. I also need another criteria where I